Alright, what is up? We are in Agiofarago and today it is the 18th of February 2024. We will be taking a walk to the Agiofarago beach, which is an amazing place to visit. It's a good hike, it's a good climbing place. And let me secure the door for animals to not get in, or if they are inside, they not get outside. The door is secure, and now we are starting our hike. For this hike you need relatively good shoes, although I have seen people doing it with sandals, but I don't recommend that. Watch out this, what is saying. I hope you got the point. If you are into hiking gorges in Crete, this could be a good option as it is accessible by car. On the start, like the trailhead is accessible by the car, and it is pretty flat. At the end there is a reward, which is the beach, and you can do it in one single day. I will leave a link anyways to this parking place, so you can click and you can find it. All over this gorge there are climbing things installed, so it makes it also a nice place for climbers. I have been saying this like dozens of times by now, but just in case you wonder, no, it is not in one place. It is in as many places as you can possibly imagine. There are possibilities of climbing. Over there, that's a very epic cave. Last time when I was here, I climbed up there and it was really nice. If you want to watch that video, I will also leave it in the description, so you can see me climbing and doing some caveman stuff inside the cave. It's very epic. Just standing here, not even going to the cave, and looking at cave from here is magnificent. Yeah, you want to do this at least once in your lifetime. If you were visiting Crete every now and then, you should do this gorge. It is not so difficult. Any age you are, it is just like a pretty straightforward walk with beautiful rock formations in both sides. Overnight camping is also allowed here, and if you want to come here, you should dig a hole and then do your business as it was mentioned in the beginning. I'm just saying, if some of you couldn't understand, to make it clear. And don't leave the trash and the garbage here, as it is very difficult for the municipality workers to come and pick it up from here. Yeah, other than that, it is really worth camping here overnight and bring some drinks and some food with you and just chill, start a campfire when it is not summer. Yeah, in summer of course we don't want to start a fire as everything gets so dry, and it can start a fire, but in the winter of course you can tolerate a small little campfire. Yeah. Let's look back once to see how it looks. It looks magnificent. The like brown reddish color of the rock, and there the gray color and the blue sky. It looks just breathtaking. This is the kind of place where you don't hear anything other than your footsteps and the birds and the animals. It's the quietest that it can get. It's just nature. You are excluded from everything, disconnected. No signal for the telephone here. Your telephone doesn't work unless you have an iPhone 14 or 15, as they are equipped with some satellite abilities. In case of an emergency, you can make a call, I think, yeah. But other than that, just the sound of the birds. To be honest, I could do much better videos of places like this to give you a better perspective, a better understanding how the soundscape is, how the texture are. But sadly, I have to be constantly uploading and working in order to keep myself going. But I have the wish and the hope to return to these places and capture the soundscape and the landscape and the textures and all the corners and the bits and bytes of this place in details to really kind of document the beauty that we have and bring it to you so you can see it and you can feel it. Yeah, and I will try my best to document this, and because things are constantly changing in the world. Maybe we have one day the things that we have available today, maybe one day we don't have it, and not just for that reason, it's for the reason I like cinema, I like capturing things, and also I like sharing it with you, so to inspire you, to just show you, like, look what I have done, like what do you think about it. But sadly it's a little bit difficult to at the moment to get something really high quality done, yeah, for the financial purposes. But I'm working towards some sort of financial freedom and to have the ability to really do a good work. I already can see there are climbers. They are climbing. There are two climbers in this side climbing, and there are more climbers in that side. Yeah, so we are not all alone. And the sun is coming up and the clouds are going away and it is getting hot, and I think it was a good decision for me that I just came out for the walk with my t-shirt. Yeah, it was a good decision. Now we are approaching this beautiful church here. All right, guys, on my way to the Agiofarago beach, I've met this wonderful, amazing people. They invited me for drink.
Damas!
Yeah, and I had a break here, water, cheese from Italy directly, and cheese from...
Now there is one each part. Italy, Spain, Germany, Greece, Afghanistan, and Holland. And Holland.
Yeah, peace to all of them. Εντάξει, γεια σας παιδιά, χάρηκα. Some places are full of surprises, yeah. I wasn't expecting a whole entire party going on there, but it was nice to have some cheese, tomatoes, and all of that stuff. And now I'm even more pumped for this exploration. You can see my cheeks are popping. Yeah. Okay, so I want to show you this secret place. It's, I think it's a church inside a cave. And now I don't want to get inside. The door is kind of stuck, but if you, I think I have explored this in the past. Yeah, or if you come here, you can possibly manage to open the door and get inside and explore it. It's a nice cave, and there is like a picture, kind of a church kind of area. Yeah, maybe you like it. And I can see the beach from here. We are getting close to the beach. So I was told that the way to go to explore the lake is from here. I possibly will try to explore the lake, or I will fly the drone to show you the lake. Yeah, maybe I will go, or maybe I will fly the drone. When you come in the summer, mostly in this place there are tents and people are camping. As you can see, these stones are kind of the remaining of those campings, and they have their tents here. One of the reasons being close to the beach, they go to the beach, they swim, and they come back to their tent. And we have some trees here, and this is the remaining of a campfire, so a small little campfire here. Yeah, overall this place is a very good place, adventure wise, beach wise, and if you are into like a hike. Yeah, of course the drive, the road is not asphalt. The drive is a little bit, maybe you have to be slower, and you have to bring the pressure of your tires a little bit down and take it easily. But from the trailhead till the beach, it is just, everywhere is magic. It is magic. As these people were explaining, from Germany, from the Netherlands, from Spain, from Italy, all of them, they choose to live on Crete. For there has to be a enough convincing reason for them to choose to live here. And that's something that you cannot put your finger on it, but you can always feel it here in Crete. Yeah, I love this place. And some people are already walking towards the beach. Wow, this is a beach day. This is absolutely a beach day. And also in this area they have their tents. As you can see, they have brought here like a table, a seat, pretty straightforward. Imagine finding yourself at this time of the year and camping here is just magnificent, breathtaking, and you have just few steps away from here the beach. Yeah, which is pretty sick. We have a biker here, and imagine you can even bring your bike if you want to camp here. Yeah, So now we are almost at the beach. As you can see, it's breathtaking. I'm absolutely going to be flying my drone and to capture some epic footage of this place and to show it to you. Yeah. It feels like it's never been winter in this part of Crete, on the beach of Agiofarago. Yeah, it is warm, it is inviting, and it is tempting to be swimming here. If you come even at this time of the year to Agiofarago, without any question asked, you can just jump into the sea and you can enjoy the sea. As it is not too wavy today, I can see even some parts of this beach from here. But it is also possible that if you are in Kalilimnis beach, I hope I'm not making a mistake with the name. It's been a while that I have been to that place. So you can also rent a boat from the Kalilimnis port to kind of bring you for a tour in this area. And then there is a lot of beauty to see. Yeah, at the moment I will be flying the drone to capture some epic footage of this place. Yeah, and we will see after that again.